Stories of desperate poverty are not hard to find in this country, but every once in a while there's one that stops even the most hardened and blasé ones among us in our tracks. A 42-year-old man in Agra has decided to write to President Pranab Mukherjee pleading for mercy killing for 6 of his 8 children. They suffer from a rare neurological disease. Kinshu Dang reports.
Kuber, the eldest in his family, is getting ready to go to the mosque to offer his prayers on the occasion of Shab-e-Barat. But 6 of his brothers and sisters cannot accompany him because of a rare neurological disorder called Canavan that has left them weaker and more paralyzed with each passing year. Something that has forced Najir, their father, to write to President Pranab Mukherjee seeking permission to end their lives.
मैं परेशान हो गया था बच्चों से किस का इलाज कराऊंगा इतनी आमदनी नहीं मेरी छोटी सी दुकान है अगर मैं दुकान की तरफ ध्यान लगाता हूँ तो बच्चों की तरफ बच्चे बीमार रहते हैं और बच्चों की तरफ आता हूँ तो दुकान पट हो जाती है
तो अब आपकी क्या मांग है?
मेरी मांग है या तो इच्छा मुक्ति याद दे दिया या फिर इनका इलाज करा दिया।
Doctors say this disease is incurable.
It's a neurological disorder. It affects the white matter of the brain and it's progressive, and down the line in a few years time they may become bedridden, they may have seizures, and they may not survive beyond the first decade or at the most up until the teens. So it's a severe genetic disorder.
This is the closest his brother Kashif can come to offering his prayers. But the administration has promised help.
आधार कार्ड और बीपीएल कार्ड उनका बन जाएगा, इसके बाद उनको सारी सुविधाएं निःशुल्क मिलेंगी और आई होप कि 2-3 दिनों में उनको सुविधा मिलनी शुरू हो जाएगी।
2 of these children, Asim and Kashif, have been receiving physiotherapy treatment at a nearby clinic almost free of cost. But that is not enough.
बच्चे गर्दन भी नहीं संभाल सकते थे, प्लस ना सिटिंग थी, ना कुछ, ना अपने हाथों से कुछ खा सकते थे, पानी भी नहीं पी सकते थे। कि मैं ओनली एक थेरेपिस्ट हूँ, अगर किसी अच्छे डॉक्टरों को न्यूरो फिजिशियन है, न्यूरो सर्जन वगैरह को दिखाया जाए तो मेडिसिन में भी इन बच्चों की रिकवरिंग की जा सकती है।
While the demand of these parents for euthanasia does not fall into the 2011 Supreme Court guidelines that allows for passive euthanasia in extreme cases, the heartbreaking story of these 6 young children is testimony of lack of access to affordable health care in our country. In Agra, with camera person Raju Punya, Kinshu Dang for NDTV.